Sir, anong nilalaman ng ating position paper na isasubmit sa Senado?
Ina-explain dito ng bayan mo ng basis ng posisyon niya, hoping na ang mga senador ay i-consider nila ang posisyon. Una, dapat mag-hold ng impeachment trial forthwith sa ilalim ng konstitusyon. Pwedeng kaagad-agad, pwedeng after election kung gusto nila, pero hindi pwede yung 4 or 5 months later. So, yun ang isang hiningi dito at nananawagan na ang presidente ay mag-call ng special session. Pangalawa, ang Senate President may poder siya sa ilalim ng Senate rules na maggawa na ng preliminary na mga aksyon. Katulad ng padalahan niya si Vice President Sara Duterte ng kopya ng complaint and give her 10 days to submit her reply. Para hindi na matagal later on. May 5 days din ang prosecution na mag-submit ng kanilang answer. Lahat ng preliminaries pwede nang gawin ng Senate President at nakalagay naman yan sa Senate Rules on Impeachment. Pangatlo, sinasabi namin sa Senado, you don't need to draft a new set of rules. May existing rules ang Senado during the Corona impeachment trial. At nakalagay doon sa rules na yon na it is effective unless repealed or amended. Hindi naman siya na-amend. Effective siya hanggang ngayon. So there's no need for the Senate rules to draft a new impeachment rule. Magdi-delay lang yan eh. Kasi for you to draft an impeachment, draft mo yon, paaprubahan mo sa lahat ng miyembro, ipapublish mo na naman ulit yon. So yun ang aming panawagan dito na dapat ang Senate President umaksyon na ngayon rather than wait for the impeachment court kasi allowed siya na umaksyon ngayon under the Senate rules even without the convening of the impeachment court. And of course, under the rules, the Senate and the House can call for a special session on their own. Hindi necessarily important legislative matter yan. Kung gustuhin nila, pwede. In fact, they convened last year to welcome the Japanese Prime Minister. Nag-convene sila dito, special session yun. Nag-convene sila sa House. So, kung mayroong mga rules na that allows them to convene a special session just to convene the impeachment court. Last point. Ang impeachment is not a legislative body. The impeachment court is not a legislative body. Ang impeachment court is a constituent body. Iba yan sa legislative body. Kaya hindi bound ang impeachment court ng legislative calendar. So yung point namin, kaya may recess yan o wala, ang impeachment court is different from the legislature. It's not supposed to issue or draft laws or pass laws. It is supposed to hold an impeachment trial. So pwede nilang gawin yan anytime kasi ibang klaseng body ang impeachment court. Yun ang laman ng letter. And we're asking the Senate, not just the Senate President, but all the members of the Senate to consider this. And last point dito sa sabi namin, dapat gawing election issue ang impeachment. Sabi ng kampo ng mga Duterte, gawin namin election issue ito. At tingin namin, sumusuporta naman sa impeachment, dapat nga, all candidates, whether running for the Senate or the party list, should answer the people kung anong posisyon nila sa impeachment trial. If they're for it or against it. Okay ba sa kanila na mawalan ka ng 125 million ni Hani Ho, walang explanation kung paano, or hindi okay sa kanila yon. So kung election issue siya, at least malaman ng voters at ng taong bayan kung anong tingin nila, and they will vote according to the answer ng mga kandidatong ito. Yun ang point na nabanggit rin dito sa position paper.
Sir, why do you see the...
This is a formal and official submission naman ng bayan muna. Kasi naglabas na kami ng legal position namin at nagsabi naman kami sa Senate, we're going to submit this to you. Hoping na sana ma-distribute sa mga members at ma-consider nila at maisip nila. Kasi nandito yung legal basis kung bakit sila pwedeng mag-convene nang hindi kailangan ng ano paman. Pangalawa, nandito din yung mga legal basis kung bakit ang President ng Senado ay pwede na mag-aksyon ngayon for the preliminaries without need of drafting a new set of rules. So sana aksyonan na nila para kung ma-convene man ang impeachment court, whether this month or next month, at least facilitated na mabilis. ang last point kasi namin dito, may oras eh. As long as they focus on one impeachment ground and one or two acts, ginawa na namin yan ng public prosecutors kami sa Corona impeachment. Ginawa rin namin yan kay Merceditas Gutierrez when we were public prosecutors then. So wala kaming nakitang dahilan para sabihin nilang walang oras. Kasi may mga senador nagsasabi niyan eh. May oras eh. Basta iklaro nyo lang, which is what the impeachment court did in Corona. 8 acts ang sinabmit namin. Winidraw ng prosecution yung 5 acts, 3 acts ang natira. In the end, nag-decide ang impeachment court only on 1 act. Hindi na tinry ng impeachment court yung 2 acts. Kaya tapos agad eh. Kasi you only need 1 ground to convict. Kahit isa lang, yung hanapin nyo ng prosecution, pinakamalakas na kaso, 125 million is the strongest, I would like to think. At yun na, madali na lang nila ma-dispose even before June 30. Tapos na nila ito kung gustuhin lang nila na mag-convene ng trial ngayon.